Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking a little about the Fuji Q5 Platinum. It's this machine right here. This is just one of my other machines. This one stays in the shop. The other one I use for mobile applications. So I have been using the Fuji system for many years, over 10 years, to do mobile application. If I got repairs to do at the marinas, this is my go-to machine. This other machine stays in the shop for refinishing any furniture, tables, stuff like that. So I would take this machine, load in my truck if I got repair to do, take it to the job site and do the repairs at the marinas, wherever the job is. So I have experienced a small issue with this machine about 3 or 4 times, and it's an overheating issue. And this is not the machine overheating on its own, it's because the machine is left out in the sun. So I would go to the job, do all my prep work. Sometimes prep work might take 2 days to grind and fear and sand and prime. And on the day of painting, I would carry this machine to the job site. I would go 8 o'clock in the morning. Sometimes all the prep work that leads up to painting could take 3 to 4 hours. So imagine I'm there at 8 o'clock and I start painting at 11, 12 o'clock I start painting. So this machine stays out in the sun on the dock, and by the time I start painting, it overheats and it just shut down. And I recognize what the issue is. It's not the machine itself, it's the machine staying out in the sun. If you check out this machine, I have it in this tool pan. This is just a Home Depot tool pan, and I cut off for ventilation. Also cut out here for ventilation. At the back, also have it well ventilated here and here. Some cut out for ventilation. And to the sides also has ventilation. So the machine is breathing very well. But as I said, the issue is staying out in the sun. So one of the things that I did was to put a fan. I put a fan. This is just a 12-volt fan that would help circulate air if it's sitting on the dock for a period of time. Kinds of help. Another thing that I did, I painted the box cover, the entire box, white. You know, white helps to reflect heat and kind of help. But overall, I think the best thing to do is not to keep the box or the machine in the direct sunlight for that length of time, 3 or 4 hours. It's best if you find a shaded area and keep it there before painting. In my case, sometimes you're on the mega yachts and you don't want to be carrying your machine in and out, so sometimes that can be a little tricky. So it's just best to find a shaded spot, leave it there, or cover it with some fabric that would keep it cool. Other than that, this machine has done super for me. Easy to work with. I've been using it for many years, over 10 years, and do all my mobile repairs, furnitures, everything with this machine. And it's a super machine to have. But just sharing some information that it can overheat if left out in the direct sunlight. So Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Please like, share, and subscribe, and keep on keeping on.
From Massachusetts Institute of Technology, I am the proud product of Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, where we are in the business of working smarter, not harder. Please like, share, and subscribe.